Lambu and Tingu went to his friend place in Jhelambur. Jhelambur is a very beautiful place.
Oh wow! What a beautiful place! And look at the water. It's very clear.
Yes, all these beautiful hills is making this place look even prettier.
Come, let's swim in this river, shall we?
Hey, no, some other time. We have to do some very urgent work now.
What work? We just have to go to our friend Makkaram, right? It will be fine, even if we get a
Have you
little
forgotten?
late.
Have you forgotten? Jhelambur is very famous for its wrestling duels. And I want to go and see them.
Oh wow, that's wonderful. This will be a good opportunity for a wrestler, someone like you.
Oh no, my friend. I cannot go and wrestle there. I just want to go and enjoy seeing the wrestling duels. Come on now, hurry up. It's getting very late.
Jhelambur was very famous for wrestling competition. And on those days, there was going a wrestling competition where this contestant Kishan was having a surprising talent.
Kishan Lal. And here comes Kishan Lal and his opponent Changat Ram. Changat Ram is trying to bring Kishan Lal down. Kishan Lal is going to fall very hard. But wait, Kishan Lal reversed it and he lifted Mangat Ram on his shoulders. Put me down. Someone put me down. Kishan Lal, put me down. Anyone wants to fight me? Come, whoever wants to fight with me. I'll show you. I'll break your bones, Changat Ram.
And after saying this, he thrown Changat Ram on the floor.
My back. Why is the world spinning around me? Anyone else wishes to fight me? Come ahead.
Everyone was shocked. So then Changat Ram's brother Mangat Ram entered in a competition to save his brother's image.
I will take the revenge of my brother. Wait, I will show you now. Come, Mangat Ram, come. Let's see how you would defeat me in the fight. And now Mangat Ram is in the arena. And Mangat Ram is running towards Kishan Lal to hit him very hard. But wait! Kishan Lal dodged him. Kishan Lal. You can never win against me. Not only you. No one can win against
And
me.
immediately Kishan Lal attacked on Mangat Ram and catched him and threw him on the floor.
He broke my bones. Save me. Help me. Take me to the hospital. See how badly Mangat Ram and Changat Ram got defeated. No one can stand against me. Hurry up. Anyone who dares to fight against me. Hey, look here. The most powerful wrestler Lambu is also here. Kishan Lal can only be defeated by Lambu. Lambu should fight him and break his ego into pieces.
Even in Jhelambur, Tingu's cleverness and Lambu's strongness was famous, and everybody used to know them. But Kishan wanted to test their ability and the power of their mind and body. So he thought of inviting Lambu in a wrestling competition.
Oh wow, Lambu, you are also here? If you are daring enough, then come here and fight with me and find out who's the best wrestler.
Oh no, my friend. I just came here to watch the wrestling duel. I have no interest in fighting you, my dear.
Look, Lambu is very scared of me. The mighty wrestler Lambu is also scared of me. No one is more powerful than me in this whole world. Hey Kishan Lal, your pride have to come down. Lambu, go in the arena.
Because everybody was forcing Lambu to accept the challenge, so he accepted and entered in a game. The moment Lambu entered in a game, he forcefully went to Kishan and took some unexpected step. He pulled Kishan Lal's leg, so suddenly Kishan Lal stepped back.
What happened, Kishan Lal? Are you scared?
Then come in the arena. I challenge you to defeat me.
He said this and he started running towards Lambu. Lambu picked him up and threw down.
Lambu, you won! Hooray! Oh, Kishan Lal defeated. Kishan Lal's ego had to come down one day.
Kishan Lal fell off and everybody started laughing on him. So Kishan Lal got angry on it. Even Tingu was laughing on it. Somehow Kishan Lal was getting mad on Tingu. And he gave a very arrogant look to Tingu.
If you are brave enough, then come in the arena. I challenge you, defeat me.
He got very angry and he invites Tingu in the wrestling ground. But Lambu got panic for him because Tingu is very weak in body and he never played this wrestling game. And he is not physically strong. But who will make Kishan understand this? But as we know, that Tingu is very intelligent. But he know Kishan's weak points. Tickling was Kishan's weak point. So he accepted Kishan Lal challenge.
Yeah. I can also defeat you. That's not a big deal for me.
Hey, Tingu, no. You don't know that he is very, very strong. I needed a lot of strength to defeat him.
My brother Lambu, it's time to crush his ego. Tingu, you are so thin. How would you do it? He is very powerful. Please stop it. Yes, don't do it. You don't have to waste your energy. Don't do it. We all know that you don't have to accept the challenge of that arrogant Kishan Lal. Wait, everyone. I'll teach Kishan Lal a lesson.
By saying this, he jumped in a wrestling ground. And when Kishan Lal came towards him, Tingu started tickling him.
Hey, don't do it. Don't do it. Why are you tickling me? Don't do it. Leave me. Let me go. Now tell me, how are you feeling?
Everybody started laughing on Kishan.
Oh, what's this? Tingu got a new tactic. This looks like a competition of strength or laughter. Tingu is not stopping. He's tickling him continuously. Perhaps he knows his weakness. Tingu is a very smart guy. Tingu is very smart.
Kishan can't stop laughing and fell down.
Leave me. I accept my defeat. Leave me. Leave me. Leave me. I accept it. I accept my defeat. Oh.
Everybody was so happy that Mangatram picked Tingu on his shoulder. This is how Tingu and Lambu win the competition. And this is how Kishan Lal accepts his failure.